Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Innioasis R1, a 72GB digital voice recorder with a sleek full touchscreen and Bluetooth capabilities. This versatile device is perfect for professionals and students alike, thanks to its dual microphones and advanced DSP and RTC noise reduction technology, ensuring crystal clear recordings in any environment. With multiple recording modes like General, Interview, Meeting, Lecture, and Pocket, plus automated options such as scheduled and automatic recording, the R1 adapts to all your recording needs. The built-in offline speech-to-text function offers instant transcription, making your workflow more efficient, while the option for expandable storage up to 1 TB ensures you never run out of space. Its 1100 mAh lithium battery provides long battery life, perfect for lengthy meetings or lectures, and the 6-digit password protection keeps your recordings secure. The R1 combines modern touchscreen control with traditional buttons, catering to all user preferences, making it an essential tool for anyone needing reliable audio recording. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.